Good morning. I am B. Dinesh Kumar. I am here to deliver a laptop about airbags. Let's see the contents. The contents are introduction, working principle, type around, types of airbags, advantages and disadvantages, and applications. Introductions are airbags are the safety designed to inflate the rapidly to reduce the impact of accidents and collision to provide the protection of human bodies. It acts on the reducing the features of modern saving lives. Working principles are sensor, signal processing, ignition of inflection system, deployment, cushioning, and deflation. The history are John W. Hadrick, an American engineer, introduced by the first airbag system. It was commercially used by 1980s. Technology got advanced by 20s, and the government introduced by 20s. And it was earlier two bags advanced to 36 bags, whereas by the companies, different companies has the different technology about airbags and their safety equipments. The types of airbags are front airbags, which are commonly found in the front of the airbags. The side impact goes to the windows, and the knee goes to the legs portion, and the seat belt goes to the sitting arrangement of the human bodies. Now, the rear sitting airbags are about the back foot who are sitting back side of the car. Now, the advantages are reducing major accidents, public awareness and confidence means how the people acts on the accident and how they get safety harness, and the visibility means how the accident goes and how the airbags deploy in any of the microseconds to reduce the death cause also. Now the disadvantages are the cost replacement after an accident occur, how the airbags got changed into another airbag. The cost is very high. Now the false sense of security means the false sense, if any of the accident occur also, the false sense can also get activated and the airbag can deploy. Now, the limited of protection means every in our body, non every of the organs cannot be get protection, but limited protection with an advanced technology is called airbag. Now, the applications are including converting the liquid fuel for the transportation. Generating safety is the most important thing in the topic. Producing chemical and making a product into a typical safety harness. Now, thank you.